Brooke, they shot the rocket a day early and we missed it.
All systems are go.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
I'm Brooke, and this is Brayden. We have 2 kids and 2 dogs, Rooney, Penn, Fraser, and Captain. At 75 tons and 55 feet long, our home is different. With time being non-renewable and our home being, well, movable, around the world we go as we roam to know. Welcome aboard, Mermaid Monster. So here we are leaving Hilton Head and cruising south to Florida. Cruising offers you once-in-a-lifetime experiences that you can't schedule, purchase, or plan ahead for. Brayden and I and the kids have an entire book's worth of novel-worthy memories. Remember a few seasons ago when we were coming back from the Bahamas and we stumbled upon one of Elon Musk's Falcon boosters? Well, this week we have something better. We stumbled upon one of his rocket launches, full of astronauts, one of them being the first woman astronaut. We had a front row, ocean view seat to this historical moment. Enjoy!
Time to be out. This is like the Instagram versus reality, but this is the actual reality. It's actually good. Captain's not sure about it. His tail, look at his tail. It's halfway. Not sure.
Oh, just going insane. As your body is something is coming closer to death and sex.
Rod's been sitting out all day and we didn't catch a fish. Not one fish, not even a bite. Dan, are you gonna keep that out all night?
No, it's not really worth throwing at night.
Who's taking the first night shift?
You want to or you want? I'll take it. Late one.
We should have Penn do it, I think.
Yeah.
So here's the deal. As you've probably gathered by now, the surprise from last week that I was referring to was that we're going to watch the SpaceX man launch from Cape Canaveral from the flybridge of our boat right off the coast. As we were going, we saw another
Dan, did we
launch
miss the
a week
rocket
earlier.
launch?
Mysterious.
Because there it comes, there it goes up there. And then you can see the booster falling. You can't see it on the camera. Do you see the booster?
No, I just see the...
I do now, I see it.
Where's the booster? Do you see the booster falling?
Yeah.
I don't see the rocket, Mom.
No, it's gone.
There's no, yeah, it's right here. Still see it.
You gotta Google this.
Do you see it? Did we missed the rocket launch?
No, that's gotta be a test flight or something.
I'm gonna get hit.
Well,
They wouldn't have done it that quickly. I mean, I was reading about it this afternoon that they wouldn't have bumped it that quickly. I can't imagine.
No, that's definitely a rocket, though. What? Yeah.
It's gonna fall on it.
Oh yeah.
That was the booster. That was the booster coming down. That was definitely a rocket. That's Cape Canaveral.
We gotta Google. Someone's gotta Google this.
They shot the rocket. They shot it a day early.
No, we didn't miss it. Don't say that.
Brooke, they shot the rocket a day early and we missed it. We missed it.
I don't think so. I'm gonna check right now.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now.
Yeah, I know.
Just
That's
remember
Walked out.
this. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for
Of all the places in the entire boat you could put your Legos, you put them right in the doorway.
Because I like them.
That's not a good choice. Do you know how much it hurts to step on Legos?
So the rocket launch got scrubbed, got pushed towards tomorrow. So we found a slip in Cape Canaveral. We're gonna stay in Cape Canaveral for tonight, and then tomorrow's gonna be Space Day. Is that good? We'll go to the Space Museum and stuff. And then we're gonna pull out in the afternoon, and then the launch is supposed to be about 8:30 at night. We'll watch the launch, and then we'll go to Stewart from there.
Cool.
Sounds like a plan?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah?
out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you.
What are you guys doing?
Bringing up the rod holder for catch the fish, maybe.
Where do you take it down from up top?
Yeah.
Ah. They're gonna try to put it on the railing. What are you doing? You're putting it on the railing?
Yeah, we're gonna put the rod holder just a little bit smaller diameter. We're gonna go to this bar over
We
here.
can't hear you when you turn.
Oh, so we're gonna go to this rail over here because it's the larger diameter that it fits it on. And then we can just run with the door open and then grab the rod really quick if we get something. But we lost almost like 300 yards of line because we just didn't hear him catch. He was just trolling out there out back. We never heard it.
Yep.
So now we'll be able to hear it.
Cool. Sweet.
Installed.
Installed. Now you gotta catch a fish, though. Pretty much what we have to do is we have to come down the fairway. We're right here. We're gonna have to spin or just go bow in. And we just hope there's enough space because it's gonna be pitch black.
You got that, Dan?
Looks like.
I think that's it, yeah.
I mean, it's all lit up. It's the only one that's lit up, and it's got, you know, like they're doing some
So did you
action going on over there.
did you figure out what the drone ship is called?
Just read the instructions.
The ship is named Just Read the Instructions.
Yeah.
Have you seen the AAS target?
No,
Just read the instructions.
I'm looking for it right now. But,
So the launch goes tomorrow, but that definitely looks like it's a rocket.
yes.
And the bad thing is, I guess, this is probably about 5 miles, right? What do you think it is? More than that? From where the
Sure.
inlet is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Probably about 5, more than that, huh? Yeah. So it might be a little hard to come out here tomorrow night. Well, it wouldn't be hard, it'd just be backtracking quite a bit. So we'll see what happens.
We had to come down this fairway and then pretty much turn our boat like this and then come in. but it, as you can see, is a very, just ignore the dog on the table. It's a very tight squeeze. Huh, Captain? Very tight squeeze, and we had like, it was pitch black. So yeah, we're here. We made it in last night, and it was quite tight to get in, with a few inches on each side, but it worked out. We're gonna go explore, hang out until the launch. It's still going, we just checked, and then we're off to Stewart overnight. History states that back in 1513, the Cape was first visited by the Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de Leon. And before the Second World War, the area was just a dry, barren scrubland. Around 1950, they began missile testing there, but in 1958, after the National Aeronautics Space Administration was formed, also known as NASA, the area became the official site for space exploration. The very first U.S. crewed flight to space occurred on May 5th, 1961, when Alan Shepard was launched from his Project Mercury capsule. And after a few years later, in 1969, we had our first lunar landing by 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins.
Go still? Yeah? All systems are go?
Everything. Put the space food inside the cup. Oh yeah, but we're gonna give it to Dan. He'll probably share.
To a place where I can sit in a rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
So it's looking like this launch is going to happen, and we're about 2 hours away from launch. We're gonna pack everything up, get dinner going, get the kids showered from the pool and the day today, and then we're gonna head out and go hang out until we see a rocket launch, and then we'll be on our way. It's like we've planned this for like 6 months in advance, but we didn't. Just sometimes that's how it works out on a boat.
And I'm never going back again, I swear.
Hey Rooney, you ready to go up and eat dinner? Yeah. You excited about tonight? All right, come home so we can eat dinner.
Can I go home with you?
Rooney, yeah, do you know that history is being made tonight? Rooney, would you ever go to space?
No.
What if I went? Would you come with me?
No, go.
Really?
I'd stay with somebody.
We're leaving. We're pulling out of the slip. We're gonna go to the ocean to watch the launch, because why wouldn't you? Pretty cool, huh? That is gonna be launching.
Dragon is preparing to separate from the second stage. At about 3 minutes after the second stage gets into orbit, we should have a great view of Dragon with its 4-person crew drifting away from the second stage.
Okay, we're up here. It's just a few minutes till launch. It's really bumpy and windy. But we're doing it. Why is it weird?
There's nothing a joy power, but it's that's probably like the first girl astronaut in the whole universe.
And that's pretty cool, huh?
No, it's not. It's not cool. Not cool.
That's because girls can do anything. Like become astronauts and drive a spaceship to space. So, go girls. See it go up?
Yeah.
I know, I'm wondering if we should go on them.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Oh! It's so bright, it can't. Oh!
You're gonna hear the sound soon.
It can't even focus because it's so bright. Just a ball of fire. I can't even film. Yeah, I can't see anything.
Whoa, it looks like an asteroid.
There, you can finally hear the sound.
As always, thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, give us a like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. We'll see you all next week.